Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design an event website on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the website section next to the prints button and click to the event websites option. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures and other files to your project, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and videos and other files to the Canva. Or go to the gallery section, and here you can find it images and videos from your device. In the element section you can search different shapes and graphic elements, for example stickers, charts and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select a template and step on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white scar icon next to the design section and just select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that, and you can move this and you can edit the size. If you want to add the text to your project, just click to the text button, or if you want to draft to your website, just click to the draft button and here, and you can draft. If you want to change the text of your project, just click to the text box. Click to the text box, delete the text and write. If you want to change the style of your text, just click to the arrow next to the Bugaki text style name, and here you can choose another text style or font type. Just select one and step on it. If you want to change the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon, and in the effects section you can add different effects to your text, for example shadows and different shapes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.